Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Bloom Investing App Review. So Bloom here is a stock investing and financial education app aimed primarily at teens and young adults, combining a real brokerage account with gamified learning content. Brokerage services are provided through Alpaca Securities LLC, and accounts are SIPC insured up to like $500,000. Now, the core features include over 300 bite sized interactive lessons on topics like investing basics, diversification, and financial metrics. Now, a real investing account supporting fractional shares starting from little as like $1 across 5,000 plus US stocks and ETFs, plus for four cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, $0 commissions trading and auto portfolios that let the user automatically copy the stock allocation of public figures like politicians or billionaires. Now, in this case, limit and stop orders, extended hours trading, and investing tournaments or games using a virtual currency called OINKs, now, which can be practiced with before trading real money. So teens age like 13 to 17 can invest through custodial UGMA account and parental approval linked through the app. Now, in this case, how do you start using this? Now, to use this, well, in this case, you need to download the app and complete sign up. Now, in this case, you need to verify your identity as well, and linking a bank account or debit card for deposits. Well, in this case, that includes instant deposits and no fee withdrawals are listed as standard. Now, new users here typically start with the investing basics lesson track, which can unlock free stock rewards. Now, the app lists up to like $75 for completing early lessons. Now, from there, browsing stocks, setting price alerts, placing trades, or subscribing to an auto portfolio all happen within the main app interface. While teens under 18 access the same features through a parent link custodial account set up either during onboarding or later from the account tab. Now, as for the pricing itself, Bloom offers a free tier for basic lessons, stock data, and the OINKs or rewards features, with the full investing account and premium lessons content requiring a subscription listed at like $15 a month or $99.99 every year for an individual account, and $150 per year for the custodial or teen account plan. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.